Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Channel Guide Hub. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your gender in Facebook. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection and then open your Facebook app. When you open your Facebook, you will land on home page. On the top of your screen, you can see many options. Here you can also see your profile picture. Tap on your profile picture and then you will land on your own profile. Here you can see the option of edit profile. Tap on edit profile. Here you can see the details that you have added about yourself. If you scroll down, you can see edit your about info. Tap on it. Scroll down until you see basic info. On this section, you can see gender. Tap on gender. And from here, you can choose the gender that you want to put. When you tap on save, your gender will be changed in Facebook. I hope you found this video useful. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe and let me know in the comments if you have any queries. Thank you for watching.